Yeah.
No, we can't. We have to. Oh God! Not the hot setting.
Yeah, it's something like that. Like it has to be one of these things where it's like, oh, I don't want. Okay, all right, no, I don't. You know, it's like, you know, it's like it's so dumb that you're like that it's cute. I'm giving him Jordanian jackhammer because it's something that you've picked up in Jordan. So her thing is the Szechuan screwdriver for whatever reason. So this is something that was passed down. This is a sexual move that's been passed down from tribal elders or something like that.
Jackhammer? Because they have jackhammers? No. If it was passed down, my argument is that if it was passed down from elders, like how many generations older?
Well, it can be what? Yeah.
The Jumanji jackhammer.
Djibouti?
The jackhammer? The Djibouti jackhammer?
Djibouti jackhammer.
Alright. Where it's one of those things where you don't think she gets it. Like it's the jackhammer in Djibouti. You know what I mean? Like you want to spell it out just one more time, and then it's one of these things where you don't think it's working, so you explain it to her. I got it. Let's just have it. You know what I mean? And then you'll disappear underneath our desk here.
Okay.
We have enough coverage as far as the size of the thing, right?
So
We have like this much space at the bottom that's not covered, but I could grab some of that dude you guys have and just.
I think it'll be fine. We're not going to be looking at them under the thing.
Well, it's just that the piece of the audience is at eye level with that space.
Okay.
So
We'll cover it. Okay, here we go. Let's just take a look.
Quick question.
Yeah.
More than when we were doing the Houdini or the jackhammer, so that's not like this isn't something we've done now. The jackhammer.
Just reminding her.
Yeah, it's just a reminder. That's the one where remember in Djibouti, it's like booty Djibouti.
Booty. Jackhammer Djibouti. One more thing.
Yep.
Am I doing the high setting?
Yeah, definitely do the high. So it starts on low.
Yeah.
Right? How about that? And you see it's kind of working, and you turn it up a little bit. Great. The amount of thought we put into this is completely ridiculous. All right, here we go.